Good morning, YouTube. We back at it. KO414 2022. Been off for a bit, but shit. We're gonna try to get back in it. Cop your merch. You already know TMPV the world. Out here trying to make big moves this year. We're on the way to the shop, trying to get stuff off the truck, see what needs to get replaced, stuff like that. Did the suspension not too long ago, but now I'm just trying to see what's gonna happen body wise. Right here at the shop, slowly but surely turning into a little junkyard. Nobody's trying to work on their whips. It's too cold out here. But, you know, we gotta get to it eventually. We got the truck in here, staying warm. Let's uncover it and see what we gotta do. Yup. So yeah, as you can see, we got the hood off, we got the lights off. Gonna take this off. Lifting up this side, take off the fenders, the bumper. I started sanding down this side of the bed, just primered it a little bit. The rocker panels, cab corners, somewhere around here. I got the bed sides. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna have to cut the bed sides, cut the cab corners, which I've never done before, but process you guys are gonna see with me. This fender looks good, but we're probably still gonna change it. Doors are good. Just gonna sand them down a little bit. Gotta get air in that tire as well. So it's a process, but we'll get through it. No biggie. Probably raising the front a little bit or dumping the back a little. So yeah, probably taking off the whole interior again. Paint everything in here. Primer. Just get it all one color. Just took the wheel off. About to start taking off these clips to take off that little liner. Then I'm gonna see what else I have to do to take off the fender. Got big first pulling up, fat round. As you can see, this is why I'm fixing shit. Hella fucked up. Don't matter though. That's how you fix things. Broke a couple clips here and there, but got the fender off. Needed a new one. It's horrible. But yeah, now I'm gonna head to the other side. Leave all this stuff right here. Hopefully the other side is easier. Fender number 2 is off. This one's not as fucked up. Not as rusty. I'm still gonna change it out though. Might as well do it right. It's already off, so fuck it. This one was way easier. Got me stupid out of breath though. Just finished a little sesh. Took off both fenders. Started taking off the back bumper, but I think I have to take off the bed to get it out. But yeah, until next time, shit, hopefully next time I get more shit done. Hopefully I get some of the boys to come through so we can be talking shit in the background. But yeah, we just gotta get back into it. See who wants to pull up to help us out. Start cutting stuff, start welding stuff, start buying stuff. Got my stupid ass driving back to the shop. I don't remember if I closed the door or not, so we gotta go back and figure this shit out. Made me come for no reason. I'd like to introduce y'all to my shooter. Sit. Nope. Sit. Go get it. That's Big Luna right there. The new addition to the family. Come on. Come on, sit. Kim, go. Go get it.